This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first, find and launch whatever search engine you prefer using. Most probably is going to be Google. Then input the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results, you gotta go for the official epicgames.com website. Then once the web page gets loaded, it will suggest to download the file. So accept the download by going for the download anyway option, then open it. Allow Google Chrome or any other browser you use to install unknown apps by switching this toggle. Then install the Epic Games Store after that. Launch it. Once the app is ready, onwards open the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button over there. Now let's give it some time to be downloaded. As you can see, before the Fortnite can be installed, we gotta grant or permit the Epic Games Store the same, grant it with the same access we granted the Google Chrome with, that is to make it trusted download or installation source. So turn on the allow apps from this source switch once again, but this time for the Epic Games Store. Then install the Fortnite. And upon installing it, you can just go ahead and launch the game. And now you gotta let it download all remaining updates, resources, and just all remaining stuff. And once it does that, you will be finally able to start playing the Fortnite. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.